Thanks to this, my brother-in-law stopped smoking and lost 7 kilos in 1 week. Have you ever wondered when did you start smoking? What is the reason you smoke? Do you smoke alone, or are you a social smoker? How many cigars do you consume daily? Do you think you can stop smoking when you decide? So if you really want to stop smoking, the best thing is that you think you're going to get fat. But do not worry, this is not going to happen. It's just a thought to boost your mind that smoking does not help you in anything positive. For this evil, we have an herb which together with our will help us to achieve it, and without side effects. Its name is stevia, and is a wonderful plant, coming from the family of chrysanthemums, native of Paraguay, which for several centuries was used as a natural sweetener, stevia being a great ally for people with diabetes. Stevia is also marketed in fresh or dried leaves, powdered green or white, or also as liquid. Also, if you have a garden, you can cultivate them, as they do not need much attention or special care. How are we going to consume our stevia leaves? Right now we are going to give you the most recommended way for you to take stevia for therapeutic uses. Remember that the leaves must be adult plants. This means with leaves of good size and that are not very new. For this we should only eat between 3 to 4 leaves in the morning and 3 to 4 leaves in the afternoon, especially in those hours that you usually smoke. In any case, if you exceed 8 sheets per day, you will not have to worry about overdosing, because there is no risk. Therefore you should not be afraid.